Hello everybody. There is a blue tag on my rearview mirror, which means I'm at a state park. Today we're at Lake Talquin State Park near Tallahassee, Florida, which I assumed would be a glorified boat ramp, which most state parks that have lake in their name generally tend to be. But this park has a 1.2 mile little hiking loop that is supposedly along a Steephead ravine, which is maybe my single favorite like ecosystem or geological feature in Florida. So we'll see what that looks like together. There's also multiple observation points. Lake Talquin is a dammed lake, so a river lake. The tall, tree-lined bluffs overlooking Lake Talquin offer a stunning view. The park is located in Leon County along the south-central side of a reservoir. From the fishing dock, anglers catch largemouth bass, catfish, and a variety of small fish. Visitors can enjoy nature walks, picnicking, and canoeing. Nature lovers may also find wild turkeys, bald eagles, osprey, and deer. I thought I would be able to get the stamp today, but that's only going to happen if I can see and detain a ranger, because as my blue tag suggests, it's Iron Ranger here at Lake Talquin State Park. Let's go on a walk. We're starting out with a bunch of noisy southern magnolia leaves on the ground because there's a bunch of like baby southern magnolias at the very beginning of this little walking trail. It is so noisy in spring. I'm really happy to be back out again because I am fresh from COVID. Had my baby's first COVID and it had me down and out for like 5 days. But now I'm back to visiting state parks, getting my dopamine hit from adventure. Now that's a Steephead ravine down there. I managed to run in to a state park ranger on a rare occasion of a ranger actually being on this little walk. And thank you, Ranger Kelly, for letting me grill you with questions and for being so generous with local knowledge. Supposedly there's a really great view down into a Steephead ravine over in the day use area near the big picnic pavilion. So I guess I'm on my way there. But it is a beautiful walk out here, although so noisy with southern magnolia leaves. And so the rest of my time was spent visiting the day use area, the pretty overlooks of the lake, the fishing dock, which of course I immediately spotted an alligator from, maybe 4 or 5 feet. Of course, there's the requisite caution sign for everybody from like Canada who doesn't know anything about the fact that there's alligators everywhere in Florida. Here's the Reservoir Lake. It was really beautiful. I was there on a mild day, and I was able to spend some time out there. The winds were pretty strong. I wouldn't really want to stand up paddleboard out here. Maybe canoe, but it doesn't seem like a really easy place to launch from. Look what I found. What is it? Is it a pine cone? Is it a southern magnolia thing? It definitely wants to poke holes in me. But it's so pretty. You in there? You in there, little buddies? Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, bat house. I believe this was my 118th state park. My next video, I'll get all the stamps for the Tallahassee area. It's 8 at once.
As always, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.